In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and optimize your Google Play Store app for better performance. Whether you're facing issues with downloads or any other hiccups, these simple steps will help get things running smoothly again. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Play Store on your device. You'll want to start by tapping the icon to open it up. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There should be a small icon or image there. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a menu where you can access the settings for the Play Store. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Network Preferences. Tap on that, and you will see an option called App Download Preferences. Opening this will present you with choices for how your apps are downloaded. You'll want to select Over Any Network to ensure that downloads aren't restricted to Wi-Fi only. Once you select that, go ahead and click Done. With those settings in place, now let's move on to the device settings. Head over to your phone's main settings menu. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. This will show you a list of all your applications. Look through this list until you find Google Play Store and select it to open its specific settings. In the Play Store app settings, head towards the Storage option. Once you're there, you'll see the options to clear cache and clear data. Start by clicking on Clear Cache. This is a great way to free up space and remove any temporary data that might be causing issues. After clearing the cache, select Clear Data, and when prompted, confirm your choice by selecting OK. This will essentially reset the app, but don't worry, it won't delete any of your purchased content or personal settings. Now, hit the back button to return to the Play Store app settings. Look up at the top right corner again, where you will find 3 vertical dots. Tap on them and then select Uninstall Updates. This will revert the app to its factory version, which can help if a recent update caused any problems. Head back into the Google Play Store, tap Storage again, and repeat the previous steps to clear the cache once more. Then, click on Manage Storage and proceed to Clear All Data. Again, hit the back button, tap the 3 dots at the right corner, and select Uninstall Updates once again. And there you have it. With these steps, your Google Play Store should be all set and ready to provide you with a much smoother and more efficient experience. If you followed along correctly, your problem should now be resolved. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and solutions.